Aloha! In this video, we're taking you on a walking tour through the KAHALA Hotel and Resort. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Irina.
And I'm Devon.
And we are
Just Be Out.
We create informative travel videos to help you get the most out of your vacation. So if you want to travel to Hawaii like a pro, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to turn on the bell notification so you know when we post our next video.
And our next video will be the full review of our experience here at the KAHALA Resort.
In depth. But now, let's start our walking tour.
Just be out with us. KAHALA Resort is located on the south side of Oahu. It is just 5.5 miles away from Waikiki, or a 15 minutes car ride, or about 30-minute bicycle ride. The KAHALA Hotel and Resort opened its doors in January 1964. As you arrive, you will be greeted with aloha by the valet service. Upon walking into the lobby, the registration area is to your left. Right away, you will notice the KAHALA Clean Promise to keep you safe. The staff and guests wearing masks, and the social distancing markers are placed throughout the resort. At the registration, you will be asked to sanitize your hands, fill out safety protocols forms, and get your temperature checked. Now that we have checked in, let's start with the lobby tour. The KAHALA Resort was inspired by the great homes of the Hawaiian monarchy. With its elegant and grand residential feel, you will notice right away as you enter the lobby. It is spacious with high ceiling and an open feel, decorated with Hawaiian-style furniture and lots of plants and flowers. There are no doors on one side, and you will sense a constant Hawaiian gentle breeze. The highlight of the lobby is chandeliers, made out of 28,000 multicolored pieces of Italian fused glass. As you walk through the lobby, you will see a curved staircase with orchid walls, a concierge right across, and the reception area. At the end of the lobby, you will find elevators, shopping hall, a wall of fame, and the spa. KAHALA offers several shops at the resort. At the KAHALA Signature Store, you can find an array of branded resort wear, gifts, and delectable food items. KAHALA's signature handcrafted chocolate-covered macadamia nuts are now famous worldwide and even being sold at Bloomingdale's. The KAHALA branded apparel is made in Italy, featuring premium fabrics and high-quality stitching. Looking for a stylish beach attire for the entire family? KAHALA Surf and Sun store has you covered. The KAHALA Boutique features high-quality souvenirs, gifts, and apparel from local designers. My favorite shop is Hilton Jewelers. It is the oldest jewelry store in Hawaii, opened since 1873. Hilton is renowned for unique and intricate designs. This company designed a family crest for the royal family. Planning a wedding or an event? Look no further. There is an event planning service located right in the resort. The KAHALA Resort attracts countless film and television stars with its exclusive setting, exemplary service, and regard for privacy. It's fun to explore their wall of fame. At the end of the shopping hall, there is Hertz Car Rental for your island adventures that you can plan using our vlogs. We have produced over 100 videos for everything Hawaii. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for gorgeous Hawaiian scenery, best places to stay around the island, things to do, food reviews, best beaches, and travel tips. At the end of the lobby, you will find a private stairway to the spa rooms, and the Dolphin Lagoon wing is located there as well. If you want to see what the rooms look like, keep watching. The KAHALA Spa is truly an experience. 9 private spa treatment suites, each with a personal changing area, shower, and bath. The suites are beautifully designed with natural wood and tastefully decorated to ensure maximum relaxation. After your treatment, you can head over to the outdoor relaxation area, where you can enjoy tea or read a book. At the opposite end of the lobby, there are 2 restaurants. The Veranda, set up right in the lobby area, serving dinner and offering live music on Fridays and Saturdays. Next to the Veranda, you will find the famous Hoku's restaurant, serving 4-course and 8-course tasting menu, as well as Sunday brunch by Michelin-trained chef Jonathan Mizukami. A vlog with a full review is coming soon, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications so you know when we post our next video. Across from the main entrance, behind the glass double doors, you can walk out to the spacious lanai with plenty of lounge furniture, overlooking the dolphin lagoons, the pool area, and the beach. There are a few ways to get to the pool and the lagoons. If you take the orchid stairs to the ground floor, you will find Pacific Dream Photography Center. Another lounge area with Hawaiian decorations and plants, 2 ballrooms, and there you will find one of the exits to the courtyard. Next to Hoku's, there is another staircase leading to the Plumeria Beach House, offering indoor and outdoor dining for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had breakfast there. If you want to see a full review, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our next video. Safety precautions are taken upon entering every restaurant. Passing by the restaurant, you can exit to the dolphin lagoons as well. Walking through the property between ponds with tropical fishes, you can see the outdoor section of the Plumeria Beach House. Right next to it, there is a lush green lawn, where KAHALA Resort hosts weddings with unbeatable views of the Pacific Ocean, romantic ocean island, plumeria trees, and a banquet hall. it is right on the beach. What a dream wedding destination! Behind the Plumeria Beach House, there is a Chi Fitness Center. During COVID, it allows up to 7 people at the time by reservations only for a 45-minute sessions. Masks are required for all gym users. After every session, the gym is being thoroughly sanitized and offers sanitizing stations and wipes. Kahala Resort is a beachfront property. The beach here is man-made. 18,000 yards of fine sand were barged from Molokai Island to pad the 800-foot stretch of beach. If you love long beach strolls, the beach is connected with Wailupa Beach and the Kahala Beach Park. 2 picture-perfect peninsulas and a natural reef protect the beach, creating calm waters for kids, beginner swimmers, kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. Kayaks, snorkel gear, and boogie boards are available for rentals. You can choose from lounging on plush grass or powdery sand with complimentary beach loungers and towels. More than 100 coconut palms were planted at the beachside. Heading back to the pool area, you will find Seaside Grill with lunch options of burgers, appetizers, snacks, and poolside drinks. The temperature-controlled pool is a popular place to soak up the sun. Swim or float the day away. Order poolside beverages and snack, catch up on your reading on the loungers, or soak in the jacuzzi. The main attraction of Kahala Resort is the Dolphin Lagoon. If you choose to skip the dolphin encounters, you can watch dolphins play, feed, and observe dolphin quest encounters by other guests. Social distancing posters are placed throughout the resort, and you are still required to wear a mask as you walk through the resort, but not at the pool or dolphin encounters, as wet masks become hazardous. By the dolphin wing, there is a picturesque waterfall with a gazebo in front of it. What a shot for your wedding! Kahala Hotel and Resort is family-oriented and offers a keiki club for your kids. Since the COVID-19, the resort implemented the Kahala Clean Promise protocols, carefully developed following the directives from the World Health Organization, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Hawaii State Health Departments, and local governments. The Kahala Hotel and Resort is also accredited by the Global Biorisk Advisory Council. Due to COVID restrictions, some activities and services are temporarily unavailable, such as shuttle service to Waikiki, lake greeting, yoga classes, and famous Kahala Seafood Buffet. This is it for the Kahala walkthrough. Let's go upstairs for the room tour. It's time for the room tour. We're staying in the oceanfront lanai room located on the 10th floor. It is 550 square foot room. It features plush king-size bed. Oh my god, to say that this bed is incredible means nothing. As soon as I put my hands down, I can feel the goose feathers, and it is so soft. Just look how easily my hands are pressing into this bed and into this comforter. I love soft beds, and I'm sure we're gonna have an incredible night here. It has a little sofa, island style fan. This room also features a desk, and this is where Devon will be editing his vlogs and transferring footage. By the way, as we mentioned before, we're staying here for Devon's birthday, and the Kahala Resort complimented him with a cute birthday cake, and it has happy birthday and their signature chocolate covered nuts and chocolates. We're going to taste some later. Before I get into the main feature of this room, which is the view, of course. Let's go to the bathroom and check out his and her sink. On one side there is a sink, and all the way on the other end of the bathroom there is a sink. There is a large tub, a separate room for a toilet, and a separate stand-up shower. What I also love about this room is that it has soft white robes and slippers. I'm really excited about this. Ready to be mind blown by this view? Follow me. Now, how was that for a view? Prices for this room vary, starting from $600 for frontline workers, going all the way up to $1,300 per night. Now, to get the best rate, head over to KAHALAResort.com, where you can find discounts and specials. Now let's go check out the other rooms. This is Dolphin Lanai room. It has the same square footage as our oceanfront Lanai room, but this features double bed. It also has a tub and your basic amenities, the same island style furniture. But this view is, as you can guess from the name, shows dolphins. And you can chill on the lanai here and look at the dolphins play, and when the dolphins encounters occur, you can also see it right from your lanai. This is the room that we originally booked. It starts from $300 for Kama'aina rate, so if you have Hawaiian ID, go directly to their site and you can get the best rates. Or it goes up to $600 if you decide to go through booking sites like Expedia. But I can't get enough of this view. This is it, guys, for Kohala Hotel and Resort walkthrough. If you like this video and want to see our review of our experience staying here at the Kohala, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you know when our next video is posted. We have done a review of staying in the Kohala area, which is pretty much here at the resort, but things to do in the area, beach access and stuff like that. Reviewing this area by 10 criteria. We will leave the link in the description below. Mahalo so much for watching, and as usual, just be out with us.